Richard with us today. Thought this boy needs some wheels. What are y'all looking at?
On the ECU. Let them know. They give you a fucking license plate, but everyone on the review says don't put the fucking license plate on. Here, bro, fucking redo that shit. Bro, we didn't use that from
The short shift.
the bushings. You ever do those on your car? The bushings on here?
Oh hell no, I haven't touched that.
Bro, that shit, because, well, I mean, you can feel it, like, if there's any play in it, but if there is, bro, this should make a huge difference.
Gotta clean this bitch up.
I know, right?
Clean the outside. Look at this dumb shit. Finger's about to get fucking stuck in that bitch. The fucking camera. Maybe. Pop the hood. This shit's been sitting in here for like, I don't even know how long. How long you think?
A year and a half at least.
Yeah, for real. Oh, that hood is heavy as fuck.
Is this like fresh coil pack?
Oh yeah, this is new. Damn, what all have I done to this shit?
Yeah, for real.
Fucking new alternator.
Basically, what it was used to make it here.
Pretty much. Put this in.
Yeah, the brake booster.
That shows a
Really
fucking
boosting
bitch.
so far.
New master cylinder. And then once you take the wheels off, I can show the lines and all the brakes and stuff.
Shit, right? Did you just do the rear suspension shit? What did you do with those?
Oh yeah, the fucking toe arms. I got toe arms.
Toe arm?
Yeah. Where's the damn flash? I don't know. They're under there.
So weird.
Can't really see it on the camera. Got the fucking shift knob. Now this off like a old ass Subaru. Somehow get that shit on there. Gotta stick it on there somehow. But damn, that shit looks fucking sick. We got the emblem on there in the grill.
Oh. Did you just put that there or was that there?
Nah, I just mocked it up. I gotta figure out how to like mount it there, but it's off like a 70 something Subaru.
Oh, the OG Subaru logo?
Yeah.
I like that one.
And it fucking fits right in there too. Just gotta like stick it somehow. I was looking for my fucking wheel key.
Fuck a wheel key. I fucking hate those shits. I keep fucking misplacing mine for the Golf. And every time I gotta change the summer tires, I go on a frantic fucking hunt.
Yeah.
Oh, you're listening to house music? Pretty fun, bro. We definitely never did it that way.
Is this the house music?
What the fuck?
Trippy jam spot. Is it still rolling, bro?
Oh yeah.
Oh no. It's a basic test, bro?
You know, this is what British people go and listen to and get coked up on.
Yeah, dude.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Ukrainian techno with it.
Line up. Callie's out here.
And my car looks like the main character out of a cartoon. It's got all like the dark blending colors and bright red, It's Lightning McQueen. Yeah, you got Lightning. You got Lightning.
That shit looks like the McDonald's delivery vehicle. What are you doing, bro?
Fuck, you know about the sack, bro?
Oh shit.
That's me, bro.
I used to do this all the time.
Oh, dude, I know you started. He's like this, and I'm immediately impressed.
This will work. Alright, well I found something. Hopefully that works. So you get a bottle or a container or something.
There, Jerry. To the longest tack.
Trying to learn how to hacky sack.
Need some damn brakes.
Bro. I don't know how many times you done this shit, like 5 or 6 probably. Put all this new shit in here.
We could fucking recruit one of them just to literally watch the master and make sure it don't get low.
I mean, it'd probably be fine, honestly.
We did let it run low the one time.
Yeah, but
We were just going.
yeah. I think I'm gonna repaint this shit. What you guys think? Give me some ideas, some colorways. I don't want this red on here anymore.
Release it?
Yep. Hey, let me get some revs.
Oh, yeah. We got an exhaust. Get some revs.
Damn.
Sounds pretty good, bro.
Out here. Trying to get this shit started. Brake pedal feels fucking mint. We'll see what happens when we turn the car on though, but the battery's fucking dead. He's gonna charge the battery at his house, and then hopefully we'll come back and see if the shit fucking works. Cause it's been too damn long, bro.
Sir. Do this.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Oh, fuck. I'll take that one.
Toss it back in, bro. Boost the immune Boost the immune system. Hey, On, you want to sponsor us?
Battery's all in. Fucking thought to throw some additive in there because the shit's been, I don't even know, sitting for way too long with the gas in it. So, and I ain't trying to siphon it all out. So we're gonna see. Also, I'll give a few shits about this motor really. So if it blows up, blows up. Because the shit's got like 200K on it, and I'm looking for an excuse to this turbo swap this motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
So hopefully it blows up. Shit. Add to fuel tank during refueling.
Fuck them. I mean, I feel like once your fuel pump starts moving, it'll mix shit around.
Smells like fucking gas.
That's good. Are you doing the whole thing?
This shit smells like ass, bro. Smell that. Get that away.
Oh, that smells like a fucking like porta potty almost. What the fuck?
Up to 25 gallons. So maybe just like a little spritz.
You do like half of it probably. And maybe add the other half when you refill again. Because I mean, this shit's been sitting for a minute. It's probably gonna.
Shit comes out quick.
Is that all of it?
No, that was.
Shake the car around a little bit.
It's on the fucking coilovers, bro. That shit is not moving.
Oh wait. Okay. We gotta have a rhythm.
Alright. Alright. Fuck. Bro, if that shit ain't mixed now, I don't know what's gonna get mixed in there. Alright, if y'all use battery tie downs, you're pussies. Just saying.
Yeah, we ain't got one in the Civic, that's for sure. Fucking start up time.
Yeah, dude.
Get behind. It's the best place to be. Oh, we got lights. Oh, yes. Woo. Oh, yeah. Been a minute since we've heard this thing fire up.
Moment of truth. Nah, bro.
Right to the floor?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
I can pump it up a little, but. Fuck.
Damn, bro.
Well.
So, what are we doing wrong? Somebody tell us. We've bled the brakes on this thing 18 times to Tuesday.
The Master's refurbished. I don't know if that will do anything to it, but.
So yeah, maybe it's the fucking master cylinder, but you just put that in there too, the refurbished one, right?
Yeah. And the booster.
Yeah. Oh no, it's a damn shame though. But fuck, let it run for a little bit.
Yeah.
At least we can fucking see this shit running.
Runs and don't stop.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I guess next step would probably be just to fucking take all the fucking new shit off again. Just make sure it's all sealed on there.
This is us, depressed because the Subaru won't stop.
Fuck. That's alright.
Yeah.
Get there, man.
We'll get there. Oh, yes. Shit sounds lit.
Real, ain't nothing sound like a Subaru.
No.
Mainly a sounding car you can buy, bro.
Out.